In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Toyota Camry located at the base of the windshield. Now we're going to start with the passenger side wiper blade. And on this particular wiper blade application, there's going to be some pinch tabs here. We pinch this and we lift up on the front section, and that's going to unlock it. Now while holding the arm, you're going to take the whole wiper blade itself and push towards the driver's side, opening up these tabs on the front and unlocking it. Slide that back. Once it comes out of the hook, the J hook, we can now bring it forward and removing it. Set it down gently. You're going to take the new wiper blade, make sure you have the correct length one. This on the passenger side is a shorter one. And the J hook simply goes in and around and hooks here. So we're going to lift up our arm, bring the wiper blade behind the J hook, insert the hook on the bottom side and pull it towards you. You're going to hear and feel it engage. Just gently push towards the driver's side and make sure it's secured. Don't forget to slide off the protective cover off the blade itself. You want to repeat this process for the driver's side and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.